Hi, hello, namaskaram. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഞങ്ങളെ സ്വന്തം അഭിനന്ദനത്തെ നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കാൻ വന്നത് +1 ബയോളജിത്തെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ പാഠമായ ബയോളജിക്കൽ ക്ലാസിഫിക്കേഷനത്തെ 2.2 കിങ്ഡം പ്രോട്ടിസ്റ്റ അതിലേക്ക് നമ്മൾ കടക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, all single celled eukaryotes are placed under Protista, but the boundaries of this kingdom are not well defined. What may be a photosynthetic protist to one biologist may be a plant to another. In this book, we include chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime molds, and protozoans under Protista. Members of Protista are primarily aquatic. This kingdom forms a link with the others, dealing with plants, animals and fungi. Being eukaryotes, the Protestant cell body contains a well-defined nucleus and the other membrane-bound organelles. Some have flagella or cilia. Protists reproduce asexually and sexually by a process involving cell fusion and zygote formation. At the 2.2.1 chrysophytes. This group includes diatoms and golden algae. Decimites in the golden algae. Okay, they are found in freshwater as well as in marine environments. They are microscopic and float passively in water currents. Plankton ennu parayadina. Most of them are photosynthetic. In diatoms, the cell walls form two thin overlapping shells which fit together as in a soap box. The cell walls are embedded with silica and thus the walls are indestructible. Thus, diatoms have left behind a large amount of cell wall deposits in their habitat. This accumulation over billions of years is referred to as diatomaceous earth. Being gritty, this soil is used in polishing, filtration of oils and syrups. Diatoms are the chief producers in the oceans. 2.2.2 Dinoflagellates. These organisms are mostly marine and photosynthetic. They appear yellow, green, brown, blue or red depending on the main pigments present in their cells. The cell wall has stiff cellulose plates on the outer surface. Most of them have two flagella. One lies longitudinally and the other transversely in a furrow between the wall plates. Very often, red dinoflagellates, for example, gonologs, undergo such rapid multiplication that they make the sea appear red. Red tides undakum. Okay. Toxins released by such large numbers may even kill other marine animals such as fishes. 2.2.3 Euglenoids. Majority of them are freshwater organisms found in stagnant water. Instead of a cell wall, they have a protein-rich layer called pellicle, which makes their body flexible. They have two flagella, a short and a long, though they are photosynthetic in the presence of sunlight. When deprived of sunlight, they behave like heterotrophs by predating on other smaller organisms. Interestingly, the pigments of euglenoids are identical to those present in higher plants. For example, euglena. Figure 2.4b ഒന്ന് നോക്കുക, അതാണ് യുഗ്ലീന ഇത്. ഓക്കെ, ശരി. 2.2.4 slime molds. Slime molds are saprophytic protists. The body moves along decaying tubes and leaves engulfing organic material. Under suitable conditions, they form an aggregation called plasmodium, which may grow and spread over several feet. During unfavorable conditions, the plasmodium differentiate and differentiates and forms fruiting bodies bearing spores at their tips. The spores possesses true walls. They are extremely resistant and survive for many years. Even under adverse conditions, the spores are dispersed by air currents. 2.2.5 protozoans. All protozoans are heterotrophs and live as predators or parasites. They are believed to be primitive relatives of animals. There are 4 major groups of protozoans. Amoeboid protozoans. These organisms live in freshwater, seawater or moist soil. They move and capture their prey by putting out pseudopodia, false feet as in amoeba. Marine forms have silica shells on their surface. Some of them such as endamoeba are parasites. Flagellated protozoans. The members of this group are either free living or parasitic. They have flagella. The parasitic forms cause diseases such as sleeping sickness, for example, trypanosoma. Ciliated protozoans. These are aquatic, actively moving organisms because of the presence of thousands of cilia. They have a cavity gullet. Okay, gullet that opens to the outside of the cell surface. The coordinated movement of rows of cilia causes the water laden with food to be steered into the gullet. For example, paramecium. Figure 2.4 D ഒന്ന് നോക്കുക. ഇതാണ് paramecium. Sporozoans. This includes diverse organisms that have an infectious spore-like stage in their life cycle. The most notorious is Plasmodium, malarial parasite, which causes malaria, a disease which has staggering effect on human population. അങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ 2.2 കഴിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഏത് കിങ്ഡം പ്രോട്ടിസ്റ്റ് കഴിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അടുത്തേക്ക് നമുക്ക് കിടക്കാം 2.3 കിങ്ഡം ഫംഗിയിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ അടുത്തൊരു വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണാം. അതിൻ്റെ വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണാം. ഓക്കെ, ബൈ. ശരി, നന്നായി പഠിക്കും.